Today we're going to make this adorable little tic-tac-toe board that's magnetic so you can stick it on your refrigerator. I'm going to now put that aside, and what I've already done is taken my cardboard and I've cut my piece of felt that's going to be on top, and that's going to be my game board. So what I'm going to do first is take my magnets. So I'm going to put my first one there. And then I'm going to take my next one. I'll take the third one and just put that right here. So I'm just going to put some glue across here. I'm going to take my felt and I'm just going to make sure it's lined up so it covers the cardboard, and I'm just going to push it down. Now I'm going to take this metallic tape, and I've already cheated and marked up the sides so that I know where to put my tape. So I'm going to just take a piece of this and I'm going to just cut this off there, and I'm going to do the same thing to make all of the lines. I'm going to take my other board, which is finished, and I'll just put that aside. Now we're going to make the cute little tic-tac-toe pieces. So I'm going to start with my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and tuck it underneath the Bowdabra. So just like we make all our other bows. And I'm using silver because we're going to make the silver piece. And I'm just going to do a little scrunchy bow. And then this is just a scrap, and it doesn't matter that it's dovetailed or not because I'm going to cut it, you'll see in a minute. And then I'm going to put this piece of scrunchie in here. I'm just going to take my wand, scrunch everything down, and then I'm going to take the two ends, pull them through my slip knot, pull it out of the Bowdabra, separate the ends, bring it around to the back. I'm going to just kind of like scrunch it out so it's, you see all the pretty ribbon, but I want it a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to cut an imaginary, I'm just going to imagine like a little circle here. So I'm just going to cut it around in a circle. And then I'm going to take my magnet and I'm going to grab a glue dot, and I'm just going to place this on the magnet, put this now on the back of my game piece, and I'm going to put this game piece aside. And now I'm going to take my gold Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, lay that down into the Bowdabra and tuck it underneath. And I'm going to take my scrunchy ribbon, and this time I'm making gold and red. So I'm going to use this ribbon, and again I'm just going to scrunch it down into my mini Bowdabra. And this one I'm just going to scrunch down to my mini Bowdabra. So it's really simple, and this can be really easy and fun game to have in your house that people can just play. So now I'll pull this through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the mini, separate the ends, and bring it around to the back. And then I'm going to just kind of shape it all out. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to kind of cut in a little circle. And again, I'm just going to kind of shape it a little bit more. Then I'm going to take my other magnet, and I'm going to take another glue dot. Then I'm going to put this on the wrong side of my little game piece. And now you have a really great little tic-tac-toe board. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.